Hello, I'm Julia Stubbe and I want to welcome you to the Galactic channel. Today I would like to talk to you about an upcoming telesession that I'm offering. It's about restoring the chakras. And what I do is I merge with the energies of the Divine Mother and the Divine Father, and I will be working with each of the 7 chakras, going in with their energy, so you'll actually feel the hands of me, the hands of the Divine Mother and the hands of the Divine Father massaging and working with your chakras. And we'll be restoring the chakra back to its original brilliance and its original purpose. And for the telesession, we'll be doing all 7. But today I'm just going to give you a little taste of it. So we're going to go into your heart chakra. And I'm going to merge, again, I said, with the Divine Mother and the Divine Father. And I'm going to work on your heart chakra. So everybody, let's get grounded and centered. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth, as if you were blowing out a candle. One more in. And now I'm merging with the Divine Mother and the Divine Father. And I'm going into your heart chakra. And you'll feel the hands of the Divine Mother, the Divine Father, and my hands just gently massaging your heart chakra, restoring all the petals of this beautiful lotus, restoring any rips and tears, in any of the petals, regenerating any petals that have been lost or destroyed. Bringing back that brilliance and the beautiful emerald green colors into the petals. I'm going to release any heartache and betrayal that's stored in these petals as well. Just fulfilling this with divine love. There's some petals that have deteriorated, so we're restoring them, bringing them back to their original brilliance, their original purpose. Just allow yourself to feel that. Feel your heart chakra being fully restored, feeling that loving energy, that divine love from the Divine Mother and the Divine Father. Allow the spin of that heart chakra to spin, perfectly balanced for you. And when you're ready, come back to the now, come back in your body. So that's just a little taste of it. If you can imagine us working through all 7 of the chakras, and we'll spend more time on them, and just restoring your full chakra, planetary chakra set, how that's going to feel. Again, that's October 23rd. There's still time to sign up, and it is a teleclass. It'll be through freeconferencecall.com. You'll be able to Skype in, or use a landline, or use your cell phone. And you just have to put earbuds in and relax, and we'll just go through the whole process. For more information, visit my website, juliastubbe.com. And thank you for tuning in.